So flipping from Bitcoin to Ethereum is when we buy Bitcoin at a good price. Then when the price of Bitcoin rises and the price of Ethereum goes down, we then flip by trading the Bitcoin directly for Ethereum. And then when the price of Ethereum rises and the price of Bitcoin goes down, we then use Ethereum to buy back our Bitcoin. And doing this, it is possible to, I don't know, make a 10% gain in a week. That's possible. That's a possibility. So what happened when Ethereum started getting lots of support from large industrial companies, banks, IBM, Microsoft, I think now JP Morgan, the price now can go up quite a bit. And what usually happens is that when the price of Bitcoin goes up, the price of Ethereum goes down, and vice versa. When the price of Ethereum goes up, the price of Bitcoin goes down, because they're the two most liquidable cryptocurrencies, currencies that you can easily buy with your credit card, cash, bank transfers, and exchange for cash and put it back into your bank. So that's flipping, quite simply. I consider it to be low risk. It's what I do with my low risk account. And I'd only advise people to do it after they start understanding how the market works and they can understand differences between Bitcoin and Ethereum. So to use a very recent case, I was confused on whether or not I should buy Bitcoin or if I should buy Ethereum, so I bought both. I split my account into 50-50. Now sometimes the price was rising. Both the price were rising at the same time, and I wasn't sure which one was going to go down, which was going up. So I was looking at the price of Ethereum in terms of Bitcoin, and if it's under 0.04, I think that's a good time to trade your Bitcoin for Ethereum. 0.035 Bitcoin for Ethereum is a pretty good lucky shot that you could probably get twice a month. And when it's over 0.04 Bitcoin for one Ethereum, that's a good time to sell. So at the time it was 0.038 Bitcoin for Ethereum. I said, okay, so 50-50 sounds good. So even though both the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum doing really well, Ethereum was shooting up faster. And I kind of look at it, so like, Jesus, if it goes to 20% in one day, it could easily go down 10% the next day or very soon. And I was looking at this, and I was thinking that, well, okay, maybe later on in the evening I'll have a better price to exchange, or possibly because it's a Friday, probably the Saturday morning, the Sunday. And then maybe Monday, Tuesday, the price of Ethereum goes down. I don't actually know. This is just guessing from, just educated guessing from trading. But then I got a call from a very beautiful woman, and that got me distracted. And the opportunity of selling my Ethereum for 0.05 Bitcoin was lost, slightly under anyway. But I was looking at it and I was like, well, you know what, if I sell my Ethereum now and buy back Bitcoin, I made a 20% gain in my Bitcoin in 4 days. That's excellent. The fear of missing out, of getting the better price, or that's just greed disrupting your opportunity to profit, which is a funny irony. Greed gets in the way of making profit. And for my own situation, I'm going off to another city. I'm going to play 14 music sets in one weekend, so I'm not going to really be there. I'm not going to be able to do technical analysis every day in day trade. So I was like, screw it. I did well. Boom. This is just for today's situation, and I can only make decisions based on the information I have today, not potential later on in the evening or in the weekend or on the Monday. So maybe the price of Ethereum will continue to rise the next couple of days, but I think there'll be a price correction. this is just the situation of today of when I'm making the video. Maybe I made a mistake, but the benefit of trading Ethereum for Bitcoin is that even if you make a mistake, screw it. When you only need to convert it into dollars or euros at the end of the month to pay your bills. So when you make losses, you still can actually gain in terms of dollars or euros, because if both are going up and you make a mistake, it doesn't matter. Well, it does matter, but you only lose potential profit, you don't actually lose money. So that is why I believe flipping from Bitcoin to Ethereum and Ethereum back to Bitcoin is a good low risk strategy for people who are moving into an intermediate level trading, not for beginners, for intermediate traders. People have been I only started doing it 3 months of when I started getting into trading Bitcoin. So if you're interested in getting into Bitcoin, check the links below for website, cheapestbitcoinprice.com, Twitter, Facebook. I have affiliate links to Coinbase. You buy $100 worth of Bitcoin and you get free $10 worth of Bitcoin. There's a link there for free Ethereum, and there's also of my Bitconnect Farlink, which I regard as a medium risk investment. Freedom, baby.